Crash Course, Exploring Colombia's Diverse Geography. Introduction. Colombia's geographical diversity is awe-inspiring, offering a plethora of natural wonders, from towering mountains and lush rainforests to pristine beaches and vibrant cities. In this crash course, we will embark on a virtual journey through Colombia's diverse geography, sharing captivating stories and examples along the way. We will also highlight 12 notable events and figures that have shaped Colombia's history within the context of its geographical features. 1. The Andes Mountains. Colombia is home to a significant portion of the Andes, the world's longest mountain range. The majestic peaks of the Andes dominate the country's landscape, offering breathtaking vistas and opportunities for adventure. The city of Medellín, nestled within the Aburrá Valley, is a testament to the harmonious coexistence between urban life and mountainous terrain. 2. The Amazon Rainforest. Colombia shares a portion of the Amazon rainforest, one of the most biodiverse regions on Earth. This vast expanse of dense jungle is teeming with wildlife, including colorful birds, monkeys, and elusive jaguars. The Amazon region in Colombia offers unparalleled opportunities for ecotourism and immersing oneself in the wonders of nature. 3. The Caribbean Coast. Colombia's Caribbean coast is a tropical paradise, known for its stunning beaches, crystal-clear waters, and vibrant culture. The city of Cartagena, with its colonial architecture and UNESCO World Heritage status, is a jewel of the Caribbean. The region also boasts the enchanting Tayrona National Park, where dense forests meet pristine beaches. 4. The Pacific Coast. On the opposite side of the country lies Colombia's Pacific Coast, a region renowned for its lush rainforests, abundant wildlife, and Afro-Colombian culture. The Pacific Coast offers unique opportunities for whale watching, as humpback whales migrate through its waters during certain times of the year. 5. The Coffee Cultural Landscape. Nestled within the Central Andes is the Coffee Cultural Landscape, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and home to some of the world's finest coffee beans. This picturesque region, with its rolling hills, traditional coffee farms, and charming towns, invites visitors to explore Colombia's rich coffee heritage. 6. The Guajira Peninsula. Located in the northernmost part of Colombia, the Guajira Peninsula is a land of stark beauty, characterized by vast desert landscapes, sand dunes, and the vibrant culture of the indigenous Wayuu people. Cabo de la Vila, with its turquoise waters and windswept beaches, is a hidden gem on this remote peninsula. 7. The Tatacoa Desert. In the heart of Colombia lies the Tatacoa Desert, a mesmerizing expanse of arid land dotted with unique rock formations. The desert's contrasting red and gray hues create a surreal landscape, attracting stargazers and adventurers alike. 8. The Páramos. The Páramos are unique high-altitude ecosystems found in the Andean region of Colombia. These misty and mystical landscapes are home to endemic plants and animals, making them crucial for biodiversity conservation. The Páramo of Sumapaz, the largest in the world, is a haven for birdwatching and nature enthusiasts. 9. The Magdalena River. The Magdalena River, Colombia's most important river, flows through the heart of the country, serving as a lifeline for transportation and commerce. Its waters traverse diverse landscapes, from the rugged mountains of the Andes to the expansive floodplains of the Magdalena Valley. 10. The Sierra Nevada de Santa Marta. Rising from the Caribbean coast, the Sierra Nevada de Santa Marta is an awe-inspiring mountain range that reaches heights of over 5,000 meters. This sacred land is home to indigenous communities and hosts an incredible diversity of ecosystems, including snow-capped peaks, cloud forests, and pristine rivers. 11. The Llanos. The vast plains of the Llanos stretch across eastern Colombia, forming part of the Orinoco River Basin. These grasslands, characterized by wet and dry seasons, offer a unique habitat for wildlife, including capybaras, anacondas, and a variety of bird species. 12. The San Andrés and Providencia Islands. Off the coast of Nicaragua, Colombia's San Andrés and Providencia Islands boast turquoise waters, coral reefs, and a distinct Caribbean culture. Visitors can immerse themselves in the vibrant rhythms of reggae and calypso, explore the underwater wonders while diving or snorkeling, or simply relax on pristine beaches. Summarization: Colombia's geography is a tapestry of diverse landscapes and natural wonders. From the towering peaks of the Andes to the lush rainforests of the Amazon, the pristine beaches of the Caribbean coast to the enchanting deserts and unique ecosystems, Colombia offers an abundance of experiences for every adventurer. Exploring Colombia means traversing a country rich in history, culture, and geographical marvels. Poem. Colombia, land of diverse geography. Mountains high and oceans that set us free. From Andean peaks to Amazon's embrace. Let's explore this captivating place. Caribbean shores with sands so white. Cartagena's charm in the moon's soft light. Pacific waves crashing against the land. A vibrant culture we all understand. Coffee fields that stretch to the horizon. A heritage steeped in a morning sun. Guajira's desert, a rugged delight. Where Wayuu traditions shine so bright. Tatacoa's desert, a mystical sight. With rocks and sand, a dreamscape of light. Paramos, misty and ethereal. Where nature's secrets become surreal. Magdalena River, a lifeline strong. Connecting hearts as it flows along. Sierra Nevada's majestic peaks. A sacred land where nature speaks. Llanos Plains, vast and wide. Where wildlife roams with grace and pride. San Andres and Providencia, jewels of the sea. A Caribbean paradise, where dreams can be. Colombia's geography, a wonderland to roam. A country that invites us to call it home. Song. Verse 1. From Andes peaks to ocean's embrace. Colombia's geography, a magical place. Caribbean rhythms, sandy beaches so fine. In Colombia's embrace, a paradise we find. Chorus. Colombia, oh Colombia, land of diversity. Mountains and jungles, it's where we want to be. Coffee fields and deserts, rivers so grand. In Colombia's geography, we'll forever stand. Verse 2. Sierra Nevada's majesty, soaring high. A symphony of nature beneath the sky. Llanos Plains, where wildlife roam free. In Colombia's heart, a wild tapestry. Bridge. Magdalena River, a lifeline so strong. Connecting us all as we journey along. San Andres and Providencia, islands so fair. Colombia's beauty, beyond compare. Chorus. Colombia, oh Colombia, a land of delight. Diverse and enchanting, in every sight. Geography's wonders, from mountains to sea. In Colombia's embrace, forever we'll be. Asterisk 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 Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for supporting our AnHub Metaverse channel. Please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.